If you're looking for simple, practical ways to solve everyday problems, learn new digital skills, and upgrade yourself one lesson at a time, you're in the right place. On this channel, I break things down step by step so anyone can understand and apply them, whether it's tech skills, productivity hack, online tools, or skill building tutorials. Skill Up is here to help you grow. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. It really encourages me to keep creating more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new skill. Welcome to the community. Welcome to Skill Up. Let's dive into our tutorial for today.
Hello guys, welcome to Skill Hub. Today we'll be looking at a topic, everyday skills that you need to start making money online. Alright guys, now there are skills, everyday skills that you may not be aware that you can actually use it to start generating money online, and we're going to dive into these skills. But today we'll look at the digital and online skills. In our next video, we'll look at other aspects that you can actually use to make money. All right, we'll dive into today's tutorial and digital and online skills that you can actually use to start making money for yourself. All right, number one is writing and typing. Are you good in writing? You good in typing? You can actually use this skill in making money for yourself. You can involve in creating writing, writing of content, and on online platforms. Now you can write articles, blog posts, create caption for social media, type documents, and do data entry. So with these skills, there are people, platforms who are ready to pay you good money for these services. All right, guys, you are good in typing. You're a good writer, and you don't know how to maximize these skills. You can actually start doing this. You can use a platform called content writing, content writers, to actually start these skills and start making something good for yourself. All right, at number two is graphic design. Graphic design. You are good at graphic design. You know how to design. Now you can actually start making good money for yourself. You can design flyers and posters. You can design logos and brand materials. You can design their social media posts and ads for clients. There are many clients out there that need these services. There are many clients in diaspora that needs these services. You can reach out to them and start making designs for them, and you actually get paid. There are small businesses, influencers, churches, schools, and brands, even individuals that need these services. So if you are good in graphic design, you can actually start making money. And you may not need to be that good in graphic design. There are platforms and tools that are readily available for free that you can use to start designing most of these things. For instance, Canva is a free tool and a very fantastic tool that you can actually use to start designing, and you start making money for yourself. All right, at number three is social media management. Social media management. Now, what is social media management? It's all about managing social media accounts for individuals or businesses. There are businesses who requires experts or individuals who can actually manage their social media account. There are individuals out there who, because of time constraint, they cannot sit down to manage their accounts. They need people who can manage these accounts for them. So if you are free, you desire to make this a side hustle, you can actually start helping to manage these social media accounts, and you get paid for it. Now, what are your tasks in social media management? Posting content regularly. You post content for these individuals and for these businesses. Then you reply to comments and messages. Then you grow you grow followers and engagement. And most of the platform that are needed for this social media management are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, which is Twitter, and LinkedIn. So if you want to start this side also, comment on the comment section, and I will send you the links on which you can actually start this particular site also. All right. At number 4 is video editing. Now, video editing, you use editing software in editing videos. You can edit short or long videos to make them engaging. Now, there are a lot of influencers out there who are not too good in editing. So if you are good in editing, or you even if you are not good at all, there are platforms also that you can use to start doing your video editing on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. There are a lot of Instagrammers, TikTokers, and YouTubers who need these services, and you can actually engage them, and you get paid for it. Now, what are the editing tasks? Yeah, cutting and trimming clips, adding text and music and effects. So all these things, they are not difficult to learn. You can actually go learn it, and we have tools like CapCut, InShot, Canva Video. So all those tools are readily available, and they are very easy to navigate through. So you can actually use this site also in making money for yourself in 2026. All right. The next, number 5, is voice over reading. Voice over reading. There are times that even myself, I require. There's one of my channel that I needed a female voice to do a voiceover for me, and I paid the person. So you can actually take this as a side also. You can take that as a side also. You have a good voice. Your services may be needed in recording voice over. Now, what are the people that need this? Advertising businesses, they need these services. So you can actually contact these advertising agencies. If you are interested in this, comment on the comment section, and I'll send you links on which you can start doing your voice over for businesses and individuals. What are the tools that you may need? Advertisement, audiobook, explainer, and tutorial videos. You can start making use of these tools so that you can have a knowledge of how to start your voice over side also. Now, what are the requirements? You need a clear voice, a quiet environment, a phone, or a mic. All right. Now we have also tools that you can also use. You have 11 Labs or Audacity smartphone recorder. So all these tools are readily available for free for you to use to start this side also. At number 6 is transcription. Transcription. This is converting spoken audio or video into written text, and there are tools readily available for you to use. Like we have the Google Docs, we have the voice typing, and we also have Otter AI. Now you can use these tools to convert audio, video into written text, and you start making good money for yourself. What you transcribe. You can transcribe interviews, you can transcribe podcasts, you can transcribe meetings and lectures. So there are institutions, individuals, bloggers, influencers that needs these services. So what are you waiting for? You like this particular one, you want to start a side hustle on it, comment on the comment section. I will send you a link on which you can start. Then number 7, at my number 7 is online research. Online research. What is online research? It's all about finding accurate information online for specific purpose. Now, your tasks include market research, academic research, data collection, and summaries. Now, you can start this side also. There are businesses, students, and consultants that needs these services, so you can actually start the services and use it as a side also. Now, there are also tools readily available for you to navigate through. We have the Google search, we have the Google Scholar, and we have Excel. With these tools, you can get started. At my number 8 is visual assistant.
Your online presence is the first impression the world has of you. And at Mega High Tech Systems, we make that impression unforgettable. We specialize in creating stunning, professional, and highly responsive websites for businesses, churches, schools, and corporate organizations. Our designs are clean, modern, secure, and built to captivate your audience from the very first click. Whether you're starting a new brand or upgrading an existing one, we bring your ideas to life with excellence, creativity, and cutting-edge technology. Let Mega High Tech Systems elevate your brand and give you the digital advantage you deserve. Contact us today at megahightech@gmail.com or call +2 347 07 227 0642. Mega High Tech Systems. We design your digital success.
Visual assistance. What it is, it's providing remote administration and support. What are your responsibilities? Managing emails, scheduling appointments, organizing documents and data. There are entrepreneurs, CEO, and online businesses that can hire you to do this particular task, and they pay good money. They pay you well for these services. Now, there are also tools that are readily available for you to start this site also. Gmail, Google Calendar, Trello, and Zoom. So with these tools, you can actually start this particular site also, and you can be paid hourly or monthly, depend on your client and depend on what you want. Guys, if there is any side also from these 8 skills that I have listed, you can actually comment on the session. You want to start any of these, and I will send you tools and materials. I'll send you link on how you can get started and start making money.